Hi, this is my presentation. I'm Manilin Lahera. Sales report normalization. First, the first normal form or 1NF is the initial level of database normalization and a sense of the foundation for creating a robust and efficient database design. Second normal form, an item table. List items with the item number, and this is the primary key. This is the primary key. Attributes like item name, item description must open an entire primary key. Salesperson table contains sales people details with person ID as the primary key. The name attributes depends on the entire primary key. Taxes table hold tax rates with the item number as the foreign key, and tax rate attribute depends on the item number. Transaction tables records the transactions with the ID as the primary key. Attributes like quantity, amount, and total must depend on the entire primary key. 2NF, each non-key attribute must be fully functionally dependent on the entire primary key, which means no attribute should depend only on part of a composite of primary key, since none of the table is the provided schema appear to have composite primary keys. They inherently meet the 2NF requirements if they are already in 1NF. 3NF or third normal form is a database normalization condition that applied to ensure that database data is stored in a structured and efficient manner, and to ensure that all the tables satisfy the condition of 1NF and 2NF, and that there are no transitive dependencies. Table of items, make sure that primary key is item number. Only item number should be the dependent on item name and the item description. Salesperson table. The primary key should be person ID. Just person ID should be the basis of the person name. Table of transaction. ID, person ID, item number should be the composite key. Quantity need only the determined by the combined key. Table of sales. Sales ID, item number should be the composite key. Amount and the table out to be determined solely by the combined key. And that's all. Thank you.